With that being said, weekend showers and storms could wash out some of your beach plans. Scott, what are the details?
Karina, it looks like today should be fairly quiet in terms of the coverage of rain and storms, but it will be a different story getting into Sunday afternoon and then looking to bleed over into the start of the work week on Monday. Here's the view outside in Grand Rapids this morning. It's a muggy start to our day. Temperatures are currently in the upper 60s and lower 70s in West Michigan. However, you can see that we have a large contrast in temperatures moving into Wisconsin and Minnesota. That's behind a cold front, which looks to sink through our neck of the woods as we head into this afternoon. Here's a look at our current temperatures, and you can see that spread of 60s and 70s in West Michigan. And while it is rather muggy at the moment with dew points near 70 degrees, we are going to see those drop off later in the day, and it should be much more comfortable stepping into this evening. If you're going to the beach for today, make sure to lather up with some sunscreen. We'll have temperatures in the mid-70s. Could be a little bit hazardous as the wind looks to come in from the west-northwest, sustained at about 10 to 20 miles per hour at the lakeshore. That's going to be generating wave heights between 2 and 4 feet. Here's the current position of the cold front. You can see that continuing to slice its way into West Michigan, and that is touching off a couple of showers, especially moving to the southeast of Grand Rapids now. You can find that we have this thin axis of development, which is occurring from southeastern Kent County and also to the south, parts of Kalamazoo County, traveling to the east. That's where we have some heavy downpours in Calhoun County right now. We'll zoom in toward that. You can find around Battle Creek. That's where we have some very torrential rain occurring at this moment, heading east along I-94. So we are watching that development, but it looks to be, again, pretty isolated in terms of its nature through this morning. Mostly cloudy skies giving way to some sunshine coming back this afternoon. And again, we should have a noticeable drop off in the humidity levels later today also. Let's go to Futurecast. Shows that things will stay into this afternoon, mostly sunny skies and a high of 83. Tomorrow, we should expect to have a quiet start to the day, and then it looks like cloud cover filters in during the afternoon. You can also see that we have a greater potential at widespread showers and storms. Those look to affect West Michigan as we get toward about 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. We'll stir up some additional rounds of storms, especially south of I-96 heading into the evening. Let's jump ahead to our threat of severe weather for tomorrow. That is marginal for most of West Michigan. We're talking about a level 1 out of 5. Meanwhile, to the southwest, you can see that parts of Berrien County heading towards Sturgis. That's where we have a slight risk of severe weather. We maintain a chance of some strong storms into Monday, especially south of I-96, where we have a level 2 out of 5 slight risk of severe storms. One bright side of the chance of strong storms is that we do expect to see a fair amount of rain come out of this, about a ½ inch to an inch being dispensed across West Michigan. So we have been in need of the precipitation, and it looks like we should be able to deliver on that front going through tomorrow and Monday. Could see some of the showers extend over into Tuesday with a high of 80. Beyond that, a fairly quiet pattern setting up. Small chances for rain on Wednesday and Thursday, holding steady at about 80 degrees through the extended forecast there.